today we have to going to close all the door of Orion. The bay are a door of Orion and then 6 door, and then we are ready to go, almost ready to go. Inside it is a system that is keeping the thermal control and is a part of the active thermal control system. As a tubing that will be filled with a specific liquid that is HFE 700-2000, and that is keeping during the flight a good warm condition for our baby inside. Is the shield, is the protection, and also a good cover around.